Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put a Ram 2500 in neutral. First, ensure your truck is on a level surface and the parking brake is engaged. This is crucial for safety before you begin any procedure. We will cover both standard methods and the manual override for situations like a dead battery or when preparing for towing. Always prioritize safety and stability. For standard operation, with the engine running, firmly press the brake pedal. Then, move your gear selector to the neutral position. You should see the N indicator light up on your dashboard, confirming the transmission is in neutral. This method is used for brief stops or when moving the vehicle short distances with power. Remember to re-engage park when finished. If your Ram 2500 has a dead battery or needs to be flat-towed, you'll use the manual override. Typically, you'll find an access panel near the shifter or below the parking brake release. Remove the cover, then use a small tool to press and hold the override button or lever. While holding it, shift the transmission into neutral. This releases the parking pawl for towing. Safety is paramount when putting your truck in neutral. Always engage the parking brake before exiting the vehicle, especially on any incline. Never leave your Ram 2500 unattended while it's in neutral, as it could roll unexpectedly. For the most accurate and detailed instructions specific to your truck, always refer to your owner's manual. Stay safe out there.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.